Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space, and welcome to another craft video. I have a friend with me today.
Hi, I'm Callan. What are we making today, Gail?
Today we are making I Spy jars, and I have part of mine done today, and on it is a list of what I'm going to be putting in my I Spy jar, and we'll do that together.
Okay, awesome.
So before we get started, we'll do a little breathing exercise to get us relaxed for the craft. And today we're just going to do a really simple one. It's called a shoulder breath. We're going to breathe in and tense up our shoulders. And then when we breathe out, we'll let them fall. So we can do it 2 times together, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
So breathe in. And one more time, breathe in. Great. I love how that feels.
Me too.
So what are we going to need today for this craft?
Sand, rice or lentils, a jar or bottle, paper, markers and tape, and then just small objects to put into your bottle.
Okay, great. So what I did is I'm using rice. And so I filled up my jar about halfway with rice. And what are you using?
I'm using sand. I also started filling my jar up with sand with a funnel.
Oh, okay. Good to have the funnel. And so what you want to do is you want to fill whatever you're using about halfway up before you put any objects in. Okay. So you might want to put a little more sand in there. Yeah. And then here's the things that are on my list that I'm going to be putting in my jar. I'm putting in a birthday candle, a pom-pom, a rubber band, a white rock, a gray rock, and a white shell. So I put those in. And what are you putting in yours?
I'm going to be putting some rainbow beads in mine, some foam beads in mine, and some alphabet beads in mine. Spell out words.
Oh, fun. Okay, great. So what you want to do is when it's about halfway filled, you want to put in all your objects like this.
Okay.
Then for mine, because my objects are in there, I'm going to fill in not quite to the top because you want the rice or sand or lentils to be able to move around. So I just added mine up to about here. I love what you're putting in there. That's so cute.
Thank you. I had most of this stuff lying around already, so it was really convenient.
Yeah, that's nice. So when you use your jar or give it to someone else to use, they just come up with how many things they found, what colors, things like that.
Yeah. I like the alphabet beads because you could choose words that you can find. What word do you see first? Things like that.
Oh, that's so fun. So for mine, I'm gonna try this out. So I filled it up to about here, and it's important to make sure you close it very tightly, of course. And then it should be able to move around, have enough in it. And so then whoever wants to try my jar, they're going to read my list and then they can look through, and it takes some shaking around. But for instance, like there's the pink pom-pom that was on my list, or whatever it is, or there I can see the birthday candle. So it's just a super fun oh, and this is fun. Now I found my own rock. And so it's just really fun to shake it around and see if you can find, if you do it this way, see if you can find all the things on the list.
I can see that. I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Just about done.
Great. And you can really do anything. I got some stuff from outside, like the shells and the rocks and things, and then I just sort of went around the house. But you could use, pennies or safety pins, whatever it is.
Very versatile.
Yeah. Let's see what yours looks like when you.
This is what mine looks like after I put the sand in the top. We've got this fun little band of things.
Great.
Grab the cap. I can already see some alphabet letters down here.
Oh, that's great.
I
That-
really like having the colored things in there so that I can see the colors a lot easier.
Yeah, I really like how yours came out. And I think it'll be really fun to do what you were saying about words and letters and things.
Yes.
Really nice. So really with this craft, there's lots of ways it can go. Anything goes. And I'm gonna hopefully later today give this to someone I know to see if they can find all of the things that are in here.
Awesome.
So thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Sure. And if you'd like to see some of the other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.